we're at the rink. This is our second time playing.
You're gonna break your stick, don't break.
Gets back, and we're playing half court. Go! Okay, he has the puck. Let's bring it down. Oh, sorry. This is a new. The lens is starting to fog up. Sorry. They look for the puck. Oh, there's the puck. Oh, and it's over here. And we just got this new camera today at the local pawn shop. And Nate, he wants us to, like, we need to notify, we need to, like, tell him when we go. That kid isn't passing right now. I'm making a YouTube video. What's the matter? Penalty box? Out of breath? Yeah, he's just. Sure. Cause I'm
just gonna go off too.
Don't.
What?
Don't.
Hey Nate, come get your stick.
You're using the stick? Yeah? Nate the Great. Wow, I'm getting used to this camera. It's so hard to video. I need to clean the lens. Oh, it's starting to rain. Sorry, we're gonna have to cut this video.